Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Modern Parisian Glamour. The art of the Moody Floral Wallpaper. Step beyond the classic Parisian cliché of all-white interiors and discover a world where historic charm waltzes with contemporary drama. This apartment redefines Haussmannian elegance by embracing a soulful and sophisticated palette of deep navy and soft cream. The undeniable protagonist of this design narrative is the bold use of Moody botanical wallpaper, which adorns rooms with a sense of depth and artistry. These are not timid, country-style florals, but large-scale, expressive patterns that command attention and create an intimate, cocooning effect. By balancing these dark, dramatic walls with creamy architectural details and thoughtful lighting, the space achieves a perfect equilibrium. The final result is a home that feels both timeless and utterly of the moment, a true lesson in modern Parisian glamour. While the interior tells a dark, romantic story, the classic Haussmannian facade remains a vision of Parisian uniformity, with its pale stone and wrought iron balconies. A glimpse through the tall windows, however, hints at the drama within, with deep navy curtains framing the view. This subtle contrast between the light exterior and the dark interior builds a sense of intriguing mystery for passers-by. It promises an interior world that is as rich and compelling as the city it resides in. The entryway makes an unforgettable first impression, setting the tone for the entire home. A dramatic navy and cream floral wallpaper immediately envelopes the space, creating a sense of intimate grandeur. A sleek, gilded console table and an ornate, sunburst mirror reflect light, preventing the dark walls from feeling heavy. This carefully curated vignette is a masterclass in balancing opulence with modern sophistication. In the living room, the Moody Floral Wallpaper establishes a captivating and intimate backdrop for both conversation and relaxation. A deep velvet sofa in a complementary cream hue provides a soft, grounding element against the dramatic walls. Gleaming brass accents in the lighting and side tables cut through the richness, adding a layer of modern glamour. The overall effect is a space that feels both cozy and incredibly chic, perfect for entertaining or quiet evenings. The bedroom becomes a true sanctuary, where the navy floral wallpaper creates a cocoon-like atmosphere conducive to rest. Sumptuous cream-colored linens and a plush, neutral rug ensure the space remains soft, serene, and inviting. The ornate white-painted woodwork of the Haussmannian moldings provides a beautiful, crisp contrast against the dark, organic patterns. This room masterfully proves that dark walls can be the ultimate recipe for a restful and romantic retreat. Dinner parties take on an air of theatrical elegance in the dining room, adorned with a stately botanical print. A robust, modern wooden dining table grounds the space, while delicate, upholstered chairs in a cream fabric offer a touch of softness. An oversized sculptural light fixture above the table acts as a stunning focal point and provides essential ambient lighting. This combination transforms every meal into a special occasion, enveloped in style and comfort. The kitchen offers a subtle nod to the theme, ensuring continuity without overwhelming a functional space. Here, the floral pattern may appear as a backsplash tile or on the panels of the island, set against classic white shaker cabinetry. Brushed brass hardware and open shellaging displaying cream-colored ceramics tie the look together. This approach maintains a light, airy feel while seamlessly connecting the kitchen to the apartment's overarching narrative. The bathroom defies convention, featuring the same daring floral wallpaper, protected from moisture in the critical zones. A freestanding white bathtub becomes a sculptural centerpiece against the enveloping, narrative-driven walls. Polished nickel fixtures and a simple clear glass shower screen maintain a sense of openness and refined luxury. This bold choice transforms the bathroom from a purely utilitarian space into a personal spa-like haven.